All right, so this is going to be PLUG on March 9th, 2021. Stock was kind of gapping up. Coming into the open, it's basically right at VWAP. We get a very, very strong move lower. I was anticipating a move higher. Um, Nonetheless, so looking at 3 minutes here is your first 3 minute candle. If I can get a small little pullback candle, I can take that for a trade. That's it right there. So short under this, and we don't get the move there. So not a big deal. This here is going to be the other 3 minutes. So we have 1, 2, 3, 3. Here's your pullback. Basically, it's engulfing. Take this for a long over the top, 40, 80. Looking for basically half day. Within that 1 minute, you take it off. Looking like 25 cents there. Doesn't work great. We got 25 cents there. So you're pretty quick on the 3 minute. All right, so we have a strong move lower, basically engulfs, waited for the pullback into VWAP, and then the pop up higher, take the quick profit. Maybe this could have been something, another 3 minute inability to push through, gets back under VWAP after a strong move lower, take it short under 35, looking for 40, would work. I'm not going to count that as a trade though. So kind of chopping around, we finally get above VWAP again, comes back, retest, and this price action just really wasn't the best, and maybe I should have known that before I took this trade, but real quick. Finally get a close above VWAP, looking for a VWAP cross. This was too quick, so I didn't take that. I guess it could have been a nice trade going from 70s to 41, so roughly 25 cents. But we need to wait for a pullback. This is a really, really big candle, so taking over the top is a big risk. We get a little indecision candle, but now it's already been 1, 2, 3, 4, 12 minutes of kind of sideways action, but took it long over the top, and I basically top clicked it, got slammed down, took that for a loss. And then again, you don't really get good action, but you get a lot of buying coming through. We break through all these levels, and on the 1 minute little pullback, for me, it's get a little pullback. I know the next 3 minute candle is going to open and push above, so that's your pullback, that's your risk, and you get a nice move higher. So far we've had this one here, this is going to be a loss. So we were in at 80s, got out at, let's say, 56, so -5. This one here, you're in at 15, looking for 50s, 35 cents profit. Here we go into the great pullback. Take this for a long over the top. Now this next candle were to push through and kind of come through and get out of the trade. And you don't really see it, but this candle has a little wick here. As the wick came through, I basically got out of the trade and then ended up popping up and giving me the small move I was looking for. So this should have been in at 30, out at 50s, whatever it was. Let's say 20 cents of profit. This ended up being a loser. Get no resolution, no follow through. Also, you should have been looking for like 60s. But I haven't gotten that, so this could have easily been a loser. So we get a close under VWAP on the 3 minute, comes and retest, looking for the break below, short at 40, 30s, a quick move down to the 20s. I was looking for 40 and it just popped up on me. It's going to be a loser. So from 30, let's say to 60, let's say -30. Then it kind of comes back, reclaims VWAP, little pullback, and as it comes through, you can take that for a short. So the thing is, it's very ugly. So over here, it looks better, right? You have the close, the pullback comes down, looking for that new candle make a low. There it was, and you get stopped out. Another close below, the retest of VWAP comes down, take it short, looking for 40. If you're quick, you can get it. That was going to be like 20 cents of profit. And just kind of ugly choppiness. Now this is finally starting to go up on a trend. Right, so we're starting to get a trend here. The moving averages are starting to spread out, open a little bit. There's a great pullback. a candle within the great pullback. This is a very good setup. Take it long over 41.30s, looking for 50s. There's your long, and there's your trade. So 30s to 50s, let's say another 20 cents. And this is kind of just crappy. Not really doing. Here it's finally starting to move up, but right there could have been some little gray moving average at 30 there. So overall, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trades, 2 losers, 5 winners, total profit of 65 cents. PLUG, size down to this name shares. So the 150 times the 65 cents gives us a profit of $97 rough. So very, very tough trader, right? Missed this one out of the open. Internet was not working. This is not really, I guess it is a setup here. Could have taken that for a short, missed that one. Didn't even count this one towards now. Took a VWAP cross, got stopped out. Didn't take this one out of the breakout. Took the great pullback, mistraded it for a loss. Took this one for a loss. Didn't take this one and didn't take this one. So I think everything that could have gone wrong went wrong. So 1 winner, 2 winners, 3 winners, 4 winners, 5 winners, 6 winners, and I took 0 of them. And well, I took 1 of them, and 1 of them was mismanaged. So impossible for you to be profitable when you have 6 trades that are winners and you're not going to take them. So that's PLUG. Just need to be a little bit better. There were good setups, just they didn't want to work during the time I was trading. I ended up trading from this period here, and that's pretty much top city. The majority of the moves came right after and right before. So that's gonna be PLUG on March 9th, 2020.